Welcome to Eden Gleann in the heart of Dallas, Oregon, offering single-level and bonus-up plans with stunning upscale finishes. Nestled close to green space and wetlands, Eden Gleann Phase 7 is the perfect development to find the home that fits your needs and dreams. Heading inside, discover an indoor-outdoor fireplace, ideal for entertaining friends and relatives. Or just relax in your spacious, vaulted great room. The casual chic designer interiors feature soft-close shaker cabinets, granite countertops or upgrade to quartz, black matte or satin nickel hardware, and stainless steel gas appliances. This home of more than 1,500 square feet is one of the 10 green and sustainable plans in Fowler Home's final phase of Eden Gleann. You'll love the designer lighting and elegant baths with tiled primary bath showers. Upgrade options include window treatments, a smart thermostat, Ring doorbell, zero-step entry, and much more. And enjoy low VOC luxury vinyl plank flooring. The fully finished two-car garages include keyless lighting. Every home is complete with a covered back patio, front and rear landscaping, enclosed fenced backyards, and exterior features with quality products and designer color schemes. Eden Gleann 7 homes offer the latest interior color scheme selections and optional upgrades. All just minutes from Dallas Aquatic Center, walking trails, a dog park, and the Dallas Golf Club. Visit Eden Gleann today and find one to make your own. For more information, please contact the team at Premier Property Group at 503-776-0858.